Okay, what's up guys? कैसे हो? ఎలా ఉన్నారు? Hope everyone is doing great. అరే ఇందాక నారదాలా పడుకున్నారు, అట్లా పడుకో బాగుంది. Look who's here. Hi. Sujan is trying my new boots by Orazo. Yet to review them, pretty new. I mean, I wore them once or twice for small rides and then I cleaned them and kept it back because of lockdown. Sujan, why are you here? I thought he came to see me, but he came for some other work.
What? I came from the GoPro.
Yes, he came for GoPro. That's what in the morning he called me and he said, Seaman, I'm coming to your house. I was like wondering, why is he coming to my house all of a sudden 9:30 a.m.
And now I stayed back, right?
You stayed back because I gave a better plan to you.
No. Auntie offered me chicken, so.
Hare, that is one more thing. Because I said, we'll make chicken for you, then he came running. Otherwise, he was asking me to come to Gachibowli again. Okay, apart from eating chicken and taking his GoPro, we have another.
We have to leave by 1 o'clock. Delivery will be around 3 o'clock.
Oh, first thing, wait, I'm giving some hype.
Oh, sir.
First, he needs to go and get something fixed on his bike. In Gachibowli, it seems. I don't know. अरे सब कुछ Gachibowli में क्यों करता रहे तू? After that, finally, we're gonna take the delivery of the 1250 GS.
Long.
Almost after what? When did we book this? 1 month back. 1 month back, we unboxed it. उसके पहले 15 days back, we booked it. Finally today, the delivery is gonna happen. Just now, we got a message. The good news.
Okay. Today morning message was, hi guys, still did not get the confirmation. Second message, will update you by 3 o'clock. Now exactly at 12:30, delivery confirmed. And उसके बाद I cannot read.
Why? तिटकुंटरा. So what is the plan? First chicken खाना है इसको.
Leave somewhere around 1:30. You, me, Rochi. If possible, Edwin.
That means we'll go at 4 o'clock.
Hey, Pora.
Edwin वస్తున్నాడంటే.
Get TPMS fixed.
इसको TPMS होना है.
By the way,
Obviously because you have a tube tire. Please, Sujan, did you ever lift this weights? Can you lift?
You want me to do chest press with that?
About chest press or arms? This is just half of it. That is 15 kilos, dude. Hey. Arre wah.
అమ్మో 15 కష్టం అవుతుందా?
But you're doing it. Good.
I can do.
Good improvement.
I do 10, but 15 కొంచెం.
Nice inspiration you're taking from me. Good job.
అంటే చేయాలిరా.
Oh, he needs to do.
High command.
Can't tell why.
High command.
Super high command.
మమ్మీ చెప్పింది.
Okay, ready? Let's go get the bike. And I'm wearing a shirt. This is like 6 years old shirt. Because they're fitting me now after like 6 years.
నిజాన్ని నన్ను నంచుకొని తినడమే ఉంటుంది.
ఇది టేస్ట్ కూడా చపాతీలో బాగుంటుంది.
ఈ కెమెరా ఉంటే మొమ్మట పడతాడు.
As usual, my typical diet, chicken and brown rice. Sujan is having chicken and white rice. మాకు అలాంటి restrictions ఏమి ఉండవు. ఏది పడితే అది గుంజుడే గుంజుడు.
చికెన్ ఉందా లేదా?
స్మైల్ keeping mama keeping. Oh, mama keeping.
New tires. Chalo. Sujan actually asked me to get my Tiger as well, but somehow I don't have a mood to ride a bike today. So we're going on Africa Twin Army as a pillion. Sujan, you know what? You're gonna enjoy that road, Samne. You came from there, right?
Yeah.
How was it? There's no slush today.
There's no slash.
Yeah, since 2 days it's full on sunny in Hyderabad, so
I didn't feel a thing, dude.
Huh?
I didn't feel a thing.
You will not feel a thing because you are on the Africa Twin. So Rohit and Edwin are going to join us. Where are they going to join us?
Edwin is going to join us right now and Rohit is directly going to come to the showroom.
But usse pehle we need to go to Gachibowli. This stupid fellow will take me to Gachibowli again and we need to get something fixed on his bike, TPMS. So that is the TPMS getting fixed on Sujan's Africa Twin. It should be around 41, 32.
36.
It should be 36, it's around 41. You shouldn't put so much of air in your bike, dude. నేను కూర్చున్నాను పెట్టేవారు అన్నమాట.
Yes. 100 kgs.
I was 100 kgs, I'll accept that 96 kilos, but now I'm around 80 kilos. Look at my shirts, I'm wearing all old 16-year-old shirts.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు కూడా ఫ్లాట్ టైం
వస్తుంది బయటకు మంచి సాఫ్ట్.
స్టార్ట్ చేసాక వర్కౌట్ నేను
come Rohit? You are here first.
I am not supposed to be here. I need to study.
इसका कुछ एग्जाम चल रहा
Exams नहीं, training चलने वाला है.
But very good dude. You're gonna become a captain साहब. Shiva का duty is gonna take it.
No. Shiva is the captain. I am flight
Shiva is
car.
the bike captain. You're the flying captain.
Flight car.
Where is Edwin? Oh yes, I can see Edwin's bike. We can't see the dude. What's up, Edwin? We all are here, but the main guy Shiva is not here yet. Can we see the bike? This is the one.
Yeah, I guess.
As well as sneak peek. Oh yes. చల్లగా ఉంది లోపల ఆన్ చేస్తే వేడిగా అవుతుంది సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ శివ అరే Actually, Shiva wanted me to put a special song for his bike delivery. He sent me a song. You want to listen to it? And it's a non-copyright song. రోజు అదే పాట వింటుండంట వాడు బయటకు వస్తుంటే ఆ సాంగ్ కావాలంట. What's up? I meant all my content, dude. Because you're delivering it very late. Yeah? You're delivering our bike very late. RTA problem, not his problem. RTA ka problem, government issue. Okay, this is the song Shiva wants. He wants this song. When Shiva is taking the bike out and coming out of the showroom, he wants this in the background.
మళ్ళీ ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయమల్లా పెడతాడు.
In the vlog. There is Hamara, owner of the bike today, who is very late. Shiva.
One eternity later.
One eternity later.
One lifetime later.
One lifetime later is cool. No one is here yet. We are planning to go and have coffee.
Okay, I'm planning to go home now. I need to study.
Rohit has a lot of pay cuts, it seems, so we are planning to treat him. He cannot pay bills.
Yeah. I can't pay bills. Pay my bills. Pay my
Bugatti bill.
Bugatti no bill now, but pay my EMI.
పెళ్ళిళ్ళు వచ్చే టైం అయింది పిల్లలు కొట్టుకుంటున్నారు. కంగ్రాట్స్
Thank you.
ఏడి శివ
వస్తున్నాడు పార్టీ.
అరే ఆన్ దిస్ బైక్ ఆల్సో వి కాంట్ గివ్ ఫింగర్ ప్రింట్స్ మ్యాట్ ఇట్స్ అ మ్యాట్ బైక్. Shiva, you said you'll come like in the morning 6 a.m. You'll go to Sundar's house and sit. And we are the ones who went to Sundar's house and sat.
చాలా వేసింది నీ బండి అక్కడే ఉంది.
ఏది
We saw your bike long back.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Congrats.
ఇంకా సన్నగా
అంటే
అయిపోయినా
చాలా సార్లు చెప్పాడు కంగ్రాట్స్.
అమ్మాయిని వదిలేసి వెళ్ళిపోదాం పద.
You wanna take a sneak peek of your bike and feel happy once?
నేను డైలీ వస్తున్నారా పొద్దున్నే.
No, wait. Shiva is singing a special song for me whenever he sees me. Padu?
ఏంటది
Chittinadu.
చూస్తున్నా ఈడు చిట్టినాడు
Since I become so thin, he's singing this song for me. Chittinadu means
చిట్టినాడు అంటే
small waist.
సేమ్ తెలుగులో చెప్పింది ఇంగ్లీష్.
వేస్ట్ కాదు
ఆ వేస్ట్ కాదు నువ్వు నీ వేస్ట్
కొంచెం
కాదు
వచ్చే వేస్ట్ కాదు.
వేస్ట్ దిస్ కమర్ కమరేనా ఓ హిందీ వచ్చేసింది బ్రో.
మా వాడు అంతే కొంచెం
Oh, we have a subscriber here. So I am expecting some discount. And I'm having black coffee and this fellow is sitting beside me and having such amazing food.
అంత షో ఆఫ్ అవసరం లేదులే, గ్లాసెస్ తీయచ్చు.
I know. Hey, నాకు తెలుసురా, he's waiting for this dialogue.
Celebrity, you know, it's become now 0.3% celebrity అంట.
Shiva, sit. We understand your anxiety. Another 10 minutes, we'll eat, we'll go get your bike. And we have a small surprise for you. You will like it, pakka, I know that.
3, 2, 1, go.
ఆ ఫ్యాన్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టాలి.
అరే నేను ఎగ్జాక్ట్ అలానే పోతున్నారా లాల్ వాలే మర్సిడీస్. వాట్సాప్ చైతన్య
సారీ నా సీమా నువ్వు కనిపెలే మరీ అంత సన్నగా ఉంటే
థ్యాంక్ యూ
గ్లాస్ వేసుకున్నాడు కదా, తెలియలే అని చెప్పు.
వాట్సాప్ ప్రణవ్. Oh, by the way, I forgot my tiffin box, so I told Chaitanya to get my oats, peanut butter and the famous whey protein. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్స్ మను.
Thank you, Manu. Oh, Panda is also here. Always comes
చదువు
late.
బిడ్డలు అవుతున్నాం మేము.
అరే తనకరా ఆఫీస్ ఉందిరా, క్షమించండి నన్ను.
All paperwork done finally?
All paperwork done.
RTA paperwork, loan paperwork. और बाकी क्या है?
జస్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోవాలి అంతే. ఇంకా ఎటు వెళ్తున్నాం రేపు పొద్దున?
Shiva is already ready for the ride. If I come tomorrow, my wife is gonna kick me.
రేపు పొద్దున వాళ్ళు లేచే లోపు వెళ్ళిపోదాం రా.
Maybe actually. Maybe. We'll try.
ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ రైడ్ ఒకటి చేసి వచ్చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. నువ్వే చెప్పాలి.
It's nice actually. Camera is good. You guys remember whose bike is this?
If he does.
Chaitanya ka bike hai. But he changed the color. Basically it's become dark horse now.
ఇంట్లో ఏషియన్ పెయింట్స్ కలర్ వేస్తుండే కొంచెం ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉండిపోతే బాబు
Actually it was that color.
Even this is not done well.
Oh yeah, this is not the complete look. He's gonna put some golden accents on it. Golden or yellow? Yellow accents.
ఇట్స్ గోనా కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ లైక్ స్టార్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఇట్స్ గోనా ఫాలో ద షేప్
Oh nice. Did you like it? Nachinda? Are you gonna plan for this? See, actually only Naresh is missing one good bike. I mean he's got an Interceptor, but I'm talking about the touring bike, like an adventure tour. Not a fan of BMW?
No, nothing like that. I'm just looking for
1250 GS.
I don't want to spend more than 13 lakhs.
13 lakhs mein, what do you have? That one.
That one is there.
That is the 900 XR.
హాయ్ స్వీటీ
Hi Janu.
తిన్నావా
తినలే నా కోపం వస్తుంది నీ పైన.
పెడే ఫోన్ అమ్మ
Outstanding ఉంది.
We are not able to see your expressions.
లోపల
Yes.
ఇట్లే ఉన్నారా ఇందాక నుంచి
పొద్దు నుంచి since 2 weeks. What are we waiting for?
ఏం లేదు డ్రెస్ వేసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోవడం.
My butter. Buttons down. Okay, a small surprise for Shiva. Small, very small surprise. He was waiting for this song I told you, right? 1 second, hold on. Ready?
అంటే అప్పుడు
నేను చూసుకుంటా నేను చూసుకుంటా.
ఏంటి చెప్పినా ఈ మ్యూజిక్ ఖతర్నాక్ ఉంది రా చూడు.
He wanted this song. Hello, now you take a delivery. Count down ఇద్దామా? Count down. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, start it.
కీ రావాలి.
Key roll. Very important, very expensive key. Be careful. Chalo, hit it.
పర్లేదు. రే ఇట్లా వన్ ఉంది.
There's something going on here. What is it?
I'm asking to replace the wallet. I'm asking to replace the wallet.
Oh, that's a wallet.
ఇది పాతగా అయిపోయిందిరా కొత్త తీసుకుందామని సరే సరే రోచి చూపి జస్ట్ చూపి కొత్త చూపి
చూపిరా. ఇవి వచ్చిన వరకు small gift from BMW, compliment. That's a keychain holder. This is a card holder and this is a wallet.
ఓ నేను చాక్లెట్స్ అనుకున్నా.
Thank you, Shiva. Thank you. Let's sit on the bike for the first time. Ride maybe tomorrow. We'll go for the ride tomorrow. Shiva is ready to go to Vikarabad. So Shiva, bike is gonna start from here and end in. This is the only time it's gonna stand here. Ladakh. To the 3, 2, 1. So what do you do after taking a delivery?
Go to a coffee shop, talk about it, have some good amount of food.
Very details ఎక్కువ ఇస్తున్నాడు. Basically we need a small party from Shiva.
Exactly.
So we come to this place called Hush Cafe. Shiva, you shouldn't be. One second. Shiva, you shouldn't be riding your bike like that on the first day.
Arey?
There's something called run-in period. You need to follow that.
Yeah. It is running.
He's doing like.
It is running.
It is running. You shouldn't cross 1500 RPM. No, 5000 RPM.
But I went in 3000 RPM. 3000, 3500 RPM ante.
Then I think that is a high torque.
Crazy power.
Oh, he was enjoying it full on.
Oh.
He's not stopping anywhere.
I mean,
U-turn, V-turn, submar.
Before I even think of taking a left, the bike is already going into left.
I had a problem with Bandila. This was his dream since 1 year.
Yeah.
At least 1 year, say every day. 12,
Probably
15,
the last 1 month was the toughest.
2 months.
Last 1 month.
For you,
After
1 month,
playing
for us,
it-
2 months. Because every day he used to call us in the night, 12 o'clock, say, till 2 o'clock, he used to sit, Simon, when should I take my bike? Which bike should I take?
Accessories.
What accessories? Tour
What
attack?
should we be doing it?
Next trip kidhar hai? If we take the 1250. It was like, I took the bike.
No, it's still the right one, right? We all took the bike.
100%. Oh, yeah, right.